Hello, welcome to Jason's Time Capsule. I'm your host Jason, and this is a new segment called Time Capsule Tutorials. So in this, I'm going to do recipes, I'm going to do maybe like some crafts and things like that. You'll see this is a recipe, more of a concoction. My sister-in-law Ashley kind of thought of it. It's nothing super fancy, but it tastes really good. So I figured I'd share it with you guys. So I'll be right back when I turn the camera around. Alright, so basically what it ends up being is just bagels, cream cheese, and bacon. So, you just put it together. But I like to use Lender's Bagels, whatever cream cheese. I'm using Great Value cream cheese. And I'm kind of feeling lazy, so I'm going to use Hormel Black Label, fancy, fully cooked, so you just stick it in the microwave. So I'll show you all the steps. I'll be right back. Alright, so you got your bagel, split it obviously, put it in your toaster. I just put mine this way. I know some toasters have like a bagel button. Ours ain't that fancy. Depending on how brown you want it, you might have to mess with it. I usually this toaster is about 3, and I like it kind of like golden when it's done. So pop that down, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so the bagels popped up, and we'll see how close they are on 3. Yeah, I kind of like them like this. They're pretty firm. That way they will soak in the bacon. If you have any grease left on it, it won't be too bad. It's got a big, kind of a crisp layer. Pretty good. Alright, then the next thing you're going to do after you got your bagel done, you could have done it at the same time, but I just choose to show it separately. I'm going to follow what the microwave says, or the box says for the microwave. 2 slices, 10 seconds. So I got 2 slices. That's normally what I put on one bagel. So we'll pop those in and we'll see what they look like when they're done in the microwave. Alright, so I ended up doing 10 seconds and flipping them and doing another 5 seconds. Then what I like to do is I grab some paper towels and I blot them to get some of that grease off of them so they're not super. And I am holding the camera, so I'm kind of like, I'm not left-handed. This is kind of awkward. There, get some of that grease off so it's not as bad. And then I'll show you how much cream cheese I put on it. So I like a little bit more cream cheese when I use bacon. I think it tastes better. It's almost like a, like a jalapeno popper when they have a lot of cream cheese in them, or something like that with the bacon. Actually, putting jalapenos on it would be even better, I think. But I'll be right back. All right, so that's about how much cream cheese I put on, a decent amount on both sides. That way that bacon's smothered in cream cheesy goodness. Oh, speaking of cream cheesy goodness, I got some in my hand. I didn't see, I was looking through the phone and didn't see where my hand was. Now what I do with my bacon, I'll take it, kind of like fold it in half. Slap it right on there. Slap it right on there. And voila. Now, there's one more step that I like to do when I enjoy one of these, and I have to go grab it out of the cupboard. Be right back, I'll show you what I use. Okay, so what I think complements one of these bagels is good coffee. And some of you might be like, well, that's not going to be good coffee, but I actually like this McCafe Premium Roast, the medium. I like that, and I like Walmart's Colombian. I find those to be the best coffees that I found so far has been those. But that's what I drink. I find the taste is rich. It's pretty good. And then these bagels are even better. Mm-hmm. That's really good. Um, like I said, I could explain it better, but obviously your toaster oven or your toaster is going to vary on time. You could probably use a toaster oven with it too if you don't have a toaster. Um, Microwave times vary depending on wattage. Just experiment, or you can fry up, uh, raw bacon, not fully cooked bacon, and it would taste even better than that. But I didn't have any, and I was feeling lazy, and I feel it tastes good enough. I might experiment with this with jalapenos on it because on the packages showed jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon and cream cheese, but put it on a bagel like jalapeno slices or something like that. I think it'd be really good. But that's all I got. Leave in the comments down below if you've tried this and like it, or you have a different breakfast sandwich that you really enjoy. I'd like to know. I could try it. Either try it here or just try it off camera. So until next time, have a good night and take care.